Welcome to How to Modify Your Zara Website Template by Metro Holistic. This video shows how to modify the template, Metro Massage Therapist Template number 1. After you have purchased and installed Zara Website Designer, you can then purchase and download the template. When you open it on your computer, the first thing I want you to do before you make any changes is to save it as a different name. So you go to File, Save As, and then type in the new name. I like to put the date at the beginning so I always know when I modified the website file. This template is optimized for 4 cities and 4 massage therapist names. Now I want you to notice a few things. Notice the right-hand side here where there's the page and layer gallery. This way you can navigate from page to page to view the content of the pages. This is a 5-page website. If you do not see it in your version, go up to Utilities, Galleries, and select Page and Layer Gallery. Another thing I like to use in Zara Web Designer is the ruler. It is not always visible when you first open it, so go to Window and then Show Rulers. There are what are called repeating objects on this web page, and you know that they're repeating objects because they have a little star at the upper right corner of them. The logo, which you're welcome to use, is a repeating object. The title is a repeating object. The navigation bar is a repeating object, and the footer is a repeating object. This means that if you modify it on one page, it will automatically be modified on all pages. Let's go ahead and modify the navigation bar first. Double-click on it, and you will see 3 columns. First column is the button text. Second column is the website URL. I should say the URL for each button. And the tooltip, these are the words that the search engines see. So double-click on an entry, and let's start putting in some new words. We have Northville Massage Therapist. I'm going to copy, Control-C, and paste it as a tooltip. Then we have another city, Wixom Massage Therapist. Copy it, and Control-V to paste it. Wixom, let's do Novi, and we'll paste that over here. And then a 4th city, how about Farmington? Farmington. Those are the 4 cities we're optimizing for. And then we have 4 massage therapists. We have Foxy Loxy. And you can put in the other 3. Henny Penny, Loosey Goosey, and, what's the 4th one? Ducky Lucky. There we go. This website is designed to be 940 pixels wide. Anything that does not appear on this white area will not show up on the internet. And right now our navigation bar is too wide. Let's change the dimension of this navigation bar. The width is up here. We're going to put in a number, and Zara will put in the closest number that it can comfortably put in. There we go. It becomes 927.4. And I just move it over to center it. These cities need to be changed also at the bottom. These are also navigations, and you will be changing these. I'll just put in 1, Northville, and leave you to change the rest. Here we have the name of your business, or your cooperative, or your cooperative marketing business, and the domain name that you have bought for this domain, for this website. And here you're going to change the cities. Clients come from Northville, Wixom, Novi, and Farmington, and surrounding cities such as, and you're going to put in cities that surround you so that search engines pick up those cities as well. I also put in some text here, fake text, because here I'd like you to put in the different specialties, whether it be neuromuscular therapy, Thai massage, pregnancy massage, whatever you like. In order to change the practitioners, let's assume this here is Foxy Loxy. And Foxy Loxy works in Northville. We have our text tool. I don't know if I pointed that out before, but there's the text tool on the left-hand side. And now Northville Massage Therapist does not quite fit. So I'm going to unbold it up here at the top and select 12 pixels, and it just fits. So you can go ahead and do this for each one. Unbold and 12 pixels. You're going to do it for each of your therapist listings here. And we change the name to Foxy Loxy, change the city and data. I would like to point out that these rectangles that I created for you expand depending on how much text you put in. So if you have more text, I'm just going to copy this and put it down here for you to see. The rectangle will automatically get larger, get longer. But now the text at the bottom is overlapping. All you have to do is click on the text, having selected the selector tool, and just click it, drag it, and let go, and it's made longer. If you have a lot of text at the bottom that goes over beyond the length of the page, select the text tool again. I'm just going to put more text here so that you can see. The page now is not long enough. If you need the page to be longer, select your selector tool again, hover over the bottom until you see the up and down arrow, click and drag, and it will make your page longer. Now the next thing we need to do is replace this picture. This picture, we want Foxy Loxy in there. Pull up your Windows Explorer, finding whatever picture you like. I'm just going to pick this picture of me. We'll call me Foxy Loxy for today. Hold the Control key down, drag, and drop the image on top. Zara will ask you, do you want to replace all copies of this photo? And we say, replace just this photo. If you notice here on the left-hand side, the Fill tool is now highlighted, and there are arrows on the picture. You can make the picture larger or smaller, and you can also drag it up and down. There we go. There's Foxy Loxy. Let's go to the Foxy Loxy page now. I'm going to click on my selector tool and go to this page, the second page, which is City 1 Massage Therapist. Because now, we now have Northville Massage Therapist, Foxy Loxy, in Michigan. Click my selector tool because I'm going to replace this photo also. Maybe I'm going to choose a different photo. Because you have the ability to expand, to enlarge, to zoom in, to zoom out, you can even choose photos that have other people in them. I'm going to put the one here with my kids. And you'll see, again, the Fill tool is activated, and you can move your photo around anywhere you want. I'm going to make my photo larger so that I'm the only one that's in it. I click on my selector tool again, zooming out, and then here's my page. Again, you change the information here on the right-hand side, contact information, and whatever words you want to put in. If you would like to create links to your Facebook profile, Twitter, Google, LinkedIn, the icons are here. If you don't want them, just select it and delete. We'll delete this one. We'll delete Google and leave that one there. You just select the Facebook and you're going to put your link in. Select the link properties dialog box pops up, and we are able to add a link. You're going to add your Facebook link. You're going to copy it from, I'm sorry, I'm talking and doing this at the same time, facebook.com, and whatever your profile says, whatever your URL is. You paste it into here, and then I'm going to have you open it in a new window. That way, even if the person clicks on it, they don't lose your website. And hit apply. Anytime you make changes in these web properties, you must hit apply or else it does not stay. Now here, this page is currently called City 1 Massage Therapist. We're going to change that. We're going to change it to Northville Massage Therapist. And the title tag for the search engines will also change to Northville Massage Therapist Foxy Loxy in Michigan. You're going to change your description tag, again changing the city and the name of the massage therapist and putting in your new domain name. Hit apply. I would also like to point out that behind each image I put text. In your Web Properties box again, click on the Image tab and you'll see that the text behind this image that the search engine sees is City 1 Massage Therapist Deborah Stacy. We don't want that. We want it to read Northville Massage Therapist Foxy Loxy, Michigan. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to make this Northville Massage Therapist Foxy Loxy, Michigan the text behind the image and hit apply. Now let's imagine that I want to add an image to this web page. Now Foxy Loxy is an expert at giving pregnant women massages. So we want to add an image of a pregnant woman to Foxy Loxy's page. Go to your Windows Explorer, hover over the image, click on it, drag, and drop it onto your Xara Web Designer. And here it is. You can easily resize it, and you can make it so that the text gets repelled under it. Right-click on it, repel text under, and now the writing is no longer underneath the image. Again, I'm going to hit save because it's time to publish. In order to publish, I go up again to Link Properties, select the Publish tab, and in here I will put my domain name, my password that I've set up using on my hosting site. So whatever password I have for publishing, Monica123, and my password. And I like to save the password in the document. It's up to you. Hit apply. It'll ask you, do you want to save it? We say yes. To publish, go up to the little icon that has the HTML and hover over and click on where it says Publish to Website. It then asks you, please confirm that you want to publish, and you say yes by clicking Publish. Before your website can be published, you need to export your site to your local disk. So say thank you very much for reminding me. And I created a folder, and I suggest you do the same, where you're going to keep these website files that actually you don't even need to look at. Double click on it and hit export. Probably won't work in this case because I put in the fake information for publishing. But you will click export and it will then put it on the internet. As simple as that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope it was useful for you. If you need any more information, please go visit www.metroholistic.com.